Hey everybody, Dave here from Cherest Studios, and I hope you're all doing well. My heart goes out to anybody who's having a hard time right now with this situation, and thoughts and prayers and gratitude, much gratitude to all the healthcare providers out there and all the people keeping the grocery stores, working the grocery stores, working the gas stations, keeping us all going. I just wanted to do a little video about how we're doing and how we're getting by with all this. I've been doing a lot of planting and growing and doing a lot of creative stuff, trying to do a lot of artwork and stuff like that. And so I'm going to show you around, show you some of the stuff I've been doing. It's a great time to to be creative, and whether whatever you like to do, gardening, painting, drawing, photography, we have a lot of time to do that, and lots of good cooking. My wife has been baking, I've been cooking and growing. So in the comment section below, let me know how you guys are doing and what you're doing to keep busy. I'm going to show you a better look at these tomato plants behind me. It seems like I only planted them a couple weeks ago, and they already have buds on them. They're ready to flower. So I may have started them a little early because I don't even have the greenhouse up yet. I was going to do it today, but we got a rainy day here, so and tomorrow is supposed to rain, so hopefully maybe Monday. Anyway, guys, let me show you around. I'm going to show you a couple things. I got some peas growing. I did a little terrarium of peas, which is kind of a fun project to do. You can eat the pea shoots, and I'm also going to plant a grow pipe of peas. And what else? Oh, I picked some bean pods that were hanging on the fence from last year's beans, and they were heirloom green beans. So we're going to open up those seed pods and save those seeds and plant them this year. So guys, these are the tomato plants that I planted with you guys. I don't know if it was the last episode or the one before that, and they're already getting the blossoms on them over here. I don't know if you guys can see that because of the funny light, but they have some blossoms right in there, just starting, little buds, and there's some over there, but they're growing really fast with this. In hydroponics, it's definitely faster. And I think I planted this kale pipe at about the same time. I don't know if I planted that with you guys in the video or not. I know I planted these in the video, kitchen table gardening video, the last one I did. And I know I planted this pak choi in the Poland Spring bottle with you guys. That's about ready now. And there's a little tomato that I just stuck in here. It was one that was growing out of one of these, and I only leave one plant in these. So I pulled it out and I just dropped it in a coffee can with a little hole there. In here I have these are some beans that were on the fence outside in the garden, and if we got to break all these open. And there's our bean seeds for this year. So if you use heirloom seeds, then your seeds will grow the same plant that you planted. If you use a hybrid seed, you don't want it. If you use the seeds, you'll get one of the two parents or something like that, I believe, but you won't get the same kind of plant that you planted. So you want to buy heirloom seeds if you want to get the same plant. So these are heirloom beans, and when the beans were done, I just let them stay on the fence all winter, and I just went out and grabbed them today, and then my wife and I will go through these and open them all up and grab our beans for this year. So that's just a little idea for you guys for this year when you grow, to leave a few on the vine and let them dry up like that. You could take them in the fall. I just left them all winter. It's fine because nature has made it so the pods kind of protect them from sprouting, keep them dry. And here's some peas I'm growing in a glass canister. I'll do a whole video for you guys on this later, but I just wanted to give you a peek at it. And there's the arugula and the grow pipe. And this was the arugula. I cut it down, and it seems to be coming back, so I figured I'd get a second grow out of it. And that was, some of you guys had saw me plant that out. And that has the clay pebbles in the top container and the nutrient in the lower container. Up here I have some more seedlings, some more tomatoes and cauliflower and basil, my microgreens, peppers, sweet peppers and hot peppers, some more microgreens just starting. In the little cup I have some red cabbages that'll go into a hydroponic setup. Okay guys, so I'm just kind of going on by the cuff today. I don't have my tripod, I'm just holding the camera. But there's my peas, and this is my original prototype for the grow pipe. So that's why it has some little marks on it here and there. And it's not perfect, but I've been using it for a while, for a couple years now, and so now I'm going to just try to grab these little peas where they really grabbed onto the paper towel, and just stick them babies in there. I think I need to wait until the peas leaves open up enough, but I'll probably just put a piece of tape, I'll put a piece of tape there to hold that. This will fall off once that opens up. So I'm going to plant that up, and then I'll show you guys. So there it is. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but I just stuck a piece of tape to keep them from falling in because the leaves weren't open. And I think that'll do. I think that'll be okay. And I have a little like 2x4 thing I built. This will go in, and then I'll make a trellis. And I've got all these left, so I'm going to go put them in the soil garden and plant them out there. So I've been busy in the studio. I've been trying to spend a lot of time, doing some painting and some abstract paintings. I've done some folk art, flowers, trees, more flowers, and I have a lot of these type of folk art ones on eBay auction right now, starting at $10. And I've been making my fruit baskets. These are my hanging fruit baskets. They're usually in black, but that one's painted. And I thank all my customers who have bought, art or baskets or grow pipes or mobiles, whatever. I appreciate all the support. And I hope you guys are all doing okay. And I'll say goodbye to you in a minute. Just giving you a look around the studio. Here's one of my deluxe hanging sphere baskets. It's a large basket for fruits or vegetables. And I make these all by hand. This is one that I made yesterday. Well, I better get those peas in the ground. So thanks everybody for watching, and I hope you're all doing well, and hang in there through this. Things will get better. And thanks again to everybody keeping everything going, and all the medical professionals. I was a nurse's assistant for over 25 years, and I just have a lot of respect for everybody out there now, working the front lines with this. and everybody doing their part to keep us going with the everything we need. Anyway, you guys take it easy. Let me know in the comment section what you guys are doing to get through this. We're eating good and making lots of good food, like I said, and just trying to be creative and plant stuff and enjoy our hobbies. And I guess that's all we can do for now, and just ride it out. So bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Happy growing.